Welcome to Solutions Studio. This is a free series on C programming language. If you like these videos, please subscribe to follow along with this series. Also, please like and leave a comment and share the video to help spread this series. Hello and welcome to this episode, and in this episode we will be discussing about block scope. So identifiers that are defined inside a block, they have a block scope. For example, here in one of our functions, we have this local variable. This local variable number, it has a block scope. And also the parameters that are defined here in the parameter list of the function, they are also the local variables and they also have a block scope. A block scope ends with this termination of the function. So that means that this variable is not accessible anywhere out of this function, out of this enclosure. And it's the same for this second variable, which is called number as well. This number, which has the name exactly with this variable number, but in fact it is a different variable and it has a different block scope. So this number is only available within this function toBlock. Once this function toBlock is executed and finished, this variable is not available anymore. And that's why we can have variables that have the same name, but they are located in different block scopes. Although it's not a good exercise to do that, and it's always a better idea to give this second variable a different name. Also, you need to remember that static type identifiers, they also have a block scope. That means this variable integer is not accessible anywhere out of this function. But still the scope of this variable is different than the storage duration. Static is a storage duration. That means that how long this variable is going to be stored in the memory. But scope means that where we can access this variable, and that is within the enclosure of this block. Stay tuned as we go into more different types of scopes in the coming episodes.